So next question number 7. A person standing in the center of a room 12 meters high looks into a plane mirror the fixed on the wall. Then the minimum length of the plane mirror for him to see the full length image of the wall behind him is equal to. See, this is given by the room. So what is considered this is a room we are considering by there. Now this is considered the wall, and the person can be stand at the center of this wall, and here again a mirror. This is considered the mirror, this is the wall, and this total is a room we are considering. The person can be stand exactly the center between the mirror and wall. Now we can see the full image. We can see the full image. What is the formula for the other? The length of the mirror. Length of the mirror is equal to height of the wall by 3. What is the principle which is there here? The height of the wall by 3. Now here height. How much is given by there? This height of the wall h is equal is given 12 meters. Then we can write the 12 by 3. That is equal to 4 meters. That is the length of the mirror. Length of the mirror, how much will be there here? The 4 meters. Next see the question number 8. Question number 8. An object is placed at 20 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. The image formed by a mirror. See what we can find the image. The image is nothing but denoted by the V. But what is given by the object is placed. The object distance is given by the U is equal to 20 centimeters. And the focal length is given by the 10 centimeters. Then find out the image of the distance. We know the formula for here the mirror equation. The 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. See, it's according to mirror equation. So what is the formula? Is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. We can write the 1 by F. F is equal to how much is there here? The 10. That is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 20. Now this minus 1 by 20 is taken this side. We can write here the 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V. Take here the LCM is the 20 into 10. That is a 200. That is a 20 plus 10. That is equal to 1 by V. See right here the 30 by 200 is equal to 1 by V. Then the V is equal to 200 by 30. Then the 0 is cancelled. 20 by 3. Okay. So image. The image is nothing but a centimeter. The distance how much is there? The image of the distance is there 20 by 3 centimeters from the mirror. From the mirror. And the mirror nunchi the distance 20 by 3 centimeters. Let's see the question number 9. See the question number 9. A ray of light is instant at 50 degrees on the middle of one of the two mirrors. The arranged at an angle of 60 degrees between them. The ray then touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror, making an angle of incidence of. See here is given by the two mirrors. See this is the first mirror and it will be given by the second mirror. The both of the two mirrors, the make an angle is given by the 60 degrees. How much of the angle is given by the 60 degrees? This is considered the M1 mirror. This is considered the M2 mirror. Now here angle is given. How much of the angle is given by the between the 60 degrees? The two mirrors made of an 60 degrees. Now the first, this is the incident ray, can be instant on a one mirror. That means the first mirror can be instanted by there. See, after that instant, this can be reflected. It can be reflected and instant on a second mirror. Instant on a second mirror. Again it can be reflected. Again it can be reflected to touch the first mirror. To touch the first mirror. Now this is the first mirror. Here can be touched. Then we can find out here the angle of incidence. What we can find out? The angle of incidence. That angle of incidence we can find out. The first, when this is the first ray. First ray can be instant on A. Where can be instanted by there? Exactly on the first mirror. Now its angle is given by there. The angle of incidence is given by the 50 degrees. How much is given by the angle of incidence is given by the 50 degrees. At the same time, angle of reflection will be also 50 degrees because of the angle of reflection is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That means the 50 degrees is equal to here also 50. And remaining here, how much of the angle is there? The 50 is negative. The total angle, the normal to the making mirror is make of angle is the perpendicular is nothing but to 90 degrees. The 90 is negligible of 50. The remaining how much is there here? The 40 degrees. See, observe. Here the 60, here the 40. The total how much is there? 100. But in triangle, in equilateral triangle, how much of the angle is total is equal is there? 180 degrees. 180 means already is here the 60, here the 40. The total is 100. So remaining how much of the angle is there? 80 degrees. See, this is there here the 80. 80 degrees is there. Now here will be the 80. Here will be the 80. Then here the angle of incidence how much is there here? The 10 degrees. Because of 80 plus 10 is the 90 with a normal. And here the angle of incidence is 10 means angle of reflected. So this is the angle of reflected. So this reflected also angle. So this is the reflected angle also. How much is there here? The 10 degrees. And this 10 plus 10. How much is the 20 degrees to here can be instant. And remaining of angle how much is there here? The 70 degrees. That is say the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence of first mirror. First mirror. How much is there here? The 70 degrees centigrade. And 70 degrees. So this is the answer for this one. So next, see the question number 10. See the question number 10. A point object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 30 centimeters. The image form will be. See here is given a point object is placed. Object of the distance u is equal is given by the 30 centimeters. And its focal length. The focal length f is equal also is given by the 30 centimeters. Then find out the image of a distance. Again, so which formula can using by the according to mirror equation. What is here the mirror equation? That mirror equation 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now this minus 1 by u is taken this side. 1 by f plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. Then f and u values is given. The 1 by 30 plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by v. Take here the LCM 30. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by v. The v is equal to 30 by 2. That is equal to 15 centimeters. The image how much is there here? The formed by the 15 centimeters behind the mirror. 15 centimeter behind the mirror. The image can be formed 15 centimeters behind the mirror.